Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. In this video, we will be watching two DAX functions that are exact and then another one is find. So we will be watching these two functionalities, what all these two DAX function are and then where it can be used. So let's get started with the video. To demonstrate that true functions and functionality of both, we will be having this particular data set in which first we will go to data section in the table tools. Here we are having new column. We can click over it. It will prompt us with a query window. So here we are having now column underscore exact. I am renaming it as this particular column as column underscore exact. Now we will be taking up this particular function, that is exact. This exact function is nothing but you need to provide two text values. That means you need to provide two inputs into this exact function which will be compared with one another, and whatever the result will be, it will be given into the boolean format. If suppose text 1 whatever you are providing is exactly same with text 2, it will return as true, otherwise false. So let's do it out. So here it's exact over here. Now if suppose I am comparing this region and then category column, so we know definitely that these two values are nowhere matching, so ideally it should return false. For demonstration I put this I'm just keeping it for now, but you can try it on some other data set where it can give you true as well. So let me provide this one region. This is the text one we have provided. Another one is this category. So category is over here. On click of enter, it will provide you all false as expected. So that was all about this exact function. Now we will move to another function, that is find. So let me again click on new column. It will also be a calculated column. Here we will rename this column as find. Here we are having this find function. This find function is nothing but if you are having a particular string or text in which you want to find some word or text, you need to provide both of the things. That means that string in which the word to be found and another whatever you want to find, that also you need to provide. All these two parameters will be provided into this find function mandatorily. But there are two optional parameters as well, that is start position and then not found value. Another option it is over there. So this start position is by default 1. That means this start position is nothing but if you are providing text in which you need to find out some particular text, so you can have some arbitrary in some of the cases, that suppose if there is a long text and after 10 characters only you know that this particular word can be find out, so you can provide that 10th position, that it will start searching after 10th position of that long string. How it will benefit? It will benefit on efficiency, that whenever if you are passing that starting position, it will start from that particular index. That means the time to search it, the time will be reduced in that particular case. So this is again an optional one. We can provide it or else we can leave it as well. And another one is not found value. So if suppose any text we are finding out in a long string, in that string if that particular text has not been found, so what at that time you need to put it on that particular row, so that value you will be passing out over in this fourth parameter. So let's try it out. Find text. We need to find, suppose in this we are having suppose customer name, right? We want to find that wherever Lena is found, okay, just it will find out that one Lena, okay, and if it will not be found, we will put all those places as blank. So find text is Lena, right? And then within text is customer name. Fine. Customer name is the column in which it will search for Lena. It will look for Lena, and then we are having start position, which by default is 1. We are providing it as 1. Then not font value, here we can provide it as blank. Fine. On click of enter, let's see what happens. You can see that it has provided you only this as 1, correct? That means this is only the value, this is only the record or row where this is giving you value as 1. If it would have not been found, it would have given you 0. So it will result in you in the format of 1 or 0. If it is found there, Lena is found there, it has given you 0, or else it would have been given you it has given you right now 1 since it is found, else it will give you 0 by default. Right now we are having this blank, since you need to provide the by default uh, output, whatever by default output on not finding that is string. If you are not providing that one, it will end up with 0. So this particular blank function, whatever we have written, you can provide another thing as well. So but this particular parameter is mandatorily important as well, and to avoid those errors. So that was all about this find function. Any confusion, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like to the video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to the channel for upcoming DAX functions. Thank you so much.